Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we take you on the ultimate Santorini boat tour to the mesmerizing volcano. Join us as we unwind on the deck, take a dip in the volcanic hot springs, marvel at the breathtaking landscapes, and indulge in a delectable lunch on the boat. Get ready to set sail on an unforgettable journey. This is the Santorini experience you've been dreaming of. Let's dive in.
Everyone, so today we're actually taking a little sailing cruise around Santorini. I mean, when in Santorini, you don't only have to see it from the island, but you should see it from the water. So we're gonna go around the island today. We're gonna go down to the little volcano. We'll have some different swimming spots, and then they'll also feed us lunch here on the boat. So we'll see how this day goes. Are you guys excited?
Excited, kids?
Yes!
Yeah! You ready,
Let's
Logan?
get into the front of the bus.
Yeah, let's go!
Connor, are you cold?
Yes, a lot!
But do you love it?
My teeth are literally rubbing together.
Yeah, do you love it though?
Yeah.
Are you shivering? How about you, Logan? What do you think?
It's cold.
It's cold? Yeah. You can go inside if you're too cold.
But it's so nice up here. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's a little chilly right now, but I think it's going to be fine as the day goes on and it will warm up. Stop, which is Red Beach. This is pretty much one of the most popular beaches here, except it is a little hard
you gonna fall there?
a little hard to access. It is beautiful, as you can see the cliffs right there. So it's stunning, but definitely a little hard to access. And also you have the problem of rocks possibly falling on you because it's very fragile over there, I guess. So they don't recommend you going to the beach to like lounge, but we can go.
There's a small section of it right here that they do have loungers.
Yes, but not above the main cliffs.
But over there, yeah, it gets a little sketchy.
This rope is pretty comfortable, not gonna lie.
It's comfortable?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's a black mountain, black beach. Underneath all this, we have a lot of caves. It's the best way to come here for scuba diving if you would like to do. Also, a lot of birds, they are coming here to learn how to fly. It is very, very beautiful just to see them. After when we will pass from here, we will see some. Now, if you want to come here to do scuba diving, the best way is only with an expert. Because all the caves are underneath the water, so you need someone that knows. And all these small pieces that you see, it's frozen lava. It's a piece from the volcano. That's why you will see a lot of big and small rocks up to the mountain.
Wasted money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out.
Did you get splashed?
I'm getting to the back of the boat right now.
Oh, it's part of the adventure, Connor.
Lately I've lost my track. I've sailed the deepest seas, hoping to find something. To bring back better times. Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. But time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out.
Connor, hey Connor, are we gonna hit these rocks?
No.
I hope not.
I hope not. Looks like we're good. There's some caves in there.
Oh yeah. Bark, bark, bark. So look, here's the chef. Right there, the chef's gonna make this chicken. He's gonna cook it on the boat, Logan.
Yeah.
Cool, yes. All right, awesome.
Come, please.
All right, Logan, get up. You're gonna get your floaty? Yes, we're all going. So we are going to swim in the volcano water here. It's nice warm water and sulfury, but check it out. Very cool. Ready to swim in the volcano water, Logan? Yeah, okay, we're gonna do it. Oh yeah.
Time is running out. Time is running out.
Hey Logan, wait for me. Daddy-O's coming to the rescue. It's getting warm. It gets warm over there, I promise. Look, I see steam coming off it.
Good job, Logan. All right. This is pretty cool. Logan, this way.
Warm water this way.
Look at the watercolor, guys.
Oh, I can feel it getting warm.
Volcanoes, hot spring waters. I'm starting to get much warmer now.
Yeah. Hey, you guys, you can stand up here now. Look, you can stand up, Logan.
Oh, we gotta be careful with the rocks though.
Yeah.
Some of them are sharp.
Be careful.
So maybe still float.
Connor, you made it, dude.
We made it. And
It
look
does
at
feel warmer here.
Look at the watercolor.
This is
From
from
the sulfur.
Sulfur from the volcano, Connor.
Yeah. It's really cool.
Logan, I know you really didn't enjoy the swim over here, did you?
I don't enjoy. I don't want to go.
You did not like the swim.
Hey, look what you accomplished. Look at that. Look at the people getting on the pirate ship over there.
You accomplishing so much, Logan.
Yeah. I'm proud of you, buddy. Proud of you, buddy.
It's so cool though to be able to swim in the hot springs of an active volcano. It's
Yeah.
not.
Unless the volcano explodes. No, They said that it doesn't look like it's due to explode for thousands of years, so that's good news.
Well, that's positive news.
Yeah. But there could be surprises.
Well, let's hope not while we're swimming right here in this water.
Logan, I'm very proud of you for accomplishing this swim, buddy.
I know.
Huh? Good job, dude.
What about me? I'm worse woman than him.
Oh, well, you did a good job, Connor.
Connor, you did an amazing job. You both did so good. And right here, it's actually getting much, much warmer. I guess if you swim closer,
Oh, yeah, I can feel it.
the actual rocks, it gets much, much warmer. Okay, I think Mommy's going along. Good enough now.
All right, you guys ready to swim back?
Yes.
All right, let's swim back to the ship, Logan, and they are, you know what they're doing? They're cooking us our chicken on the ship.
They're actually preparing the food on the ship, which is really, really cool.
Yeah.
And all of them are so friendly. The staff is like dancing with the kids and having fun. And so far, it's been really, really nice. Really
Yeah,
relaxing
beautiful
and
views
fun.
of all the cliffs and everything as we're
Absolutely.
flying. And Connor did get a little bit of ocean spray there, didn't you, Connor? Yeah.
Oh gosh, we got soaked, him and I.
We got a little bit too, didn't we, Logan? But yeah, no, it's definitely a great experience. If you're ever on this island of Santorini, like, you have to do this cruise, whether it be the sunset cruise or we're doing the daytime because we heard it gets a little cold. So
yeah, I think the daytime is probably a better option with the kids, just because that way they don't get tired at night.
I mean, we already saw the sunset anyway.
Yeah, you can see the sunset anywhere. So
Oh, Connor, you getting cold? It's warm water right here. We're gonna have to go to the cold water, unfortunately.
right now,
So,
let's go, guys.
all right, come on, let's make the swim back.
Let's head back.
So these currents are pretty strong, so we're having...
I feel like we're swimming and not making any
Yeah, we're like
progress.
treading water in the same place.
But the positive is we're working off our lunch.
Yeah.
Guilt-free lunch.
Here you go. So, oh, one of the ships is leaving and then ours should be behind it. But let's see. This is definitely quite a little swim.
Two of them are
Hey, Logan, wait for me there, speedster.
Oh my goodness.
So we gotta wait for that one ship to leave.
Time is running out.
Logan, you made it from the swim. Would you do it again? I did. No, you didn't like it? Was it too hard?
Yeah.
Did you like the warm water at least?
I don't know what that was, it was floating by me.
Would you do it again, buddy?
Would you do that again?
Yeah.
It was a challenge, huh? Did you like the warm volcano water?
Yeah.
That was fun, huh? Very cool.
It's really cool. Now I'm excited for lunch.
Yeah. A little uncomfortable with the closeness with this rock here. What do you think, Ellie?
Yeah, it's a little, makes me a little uneasy.
Maybe he's showing off his skills here. Oh no. Oh no.
Making sure there's actually somebody up there. I think he's
I know. If the Titanic violin players start playing, we're...
I think we'll be okay. He seems to know what he's
Is running out. The time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over. They can't be over now. Time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over now. Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out.
all the food looks really, really good. I mean, we have chicken, spaghetti, salad, the little grape leaves stuffed over there.
Oh yeah, we made those in our cooking class. Those look like the ones we made. Very cool.
Excited to feast. and they made everything here on board. Guys, good.
Yeah, while we were snorkeling
Yeah,
and
while we
swimming,
were
they were like
swimming.
cooking it up.
They have a grill up here, so freshly grilled chicken. Yeah, it'll be good.
What do you think, Connor? Is this the life?
Yeah. He's pretty excited to eat.
Are you excited to eat, Logan?
Of course. Connor, you want spaghetti?
No.
You got some chicken there, Connor? Yeah. All right, I'll help you cut it up if you want. Back to port on our catamaran boat, and it was a great experience for sure.
It was really, really fun. The food was actually really good. They do serve wine on board, which is nice. So I had a couple glasses. The kids really enjoyed it. The swimming was really, really fun. There was 3 different stops. Chris actually got to snorkel. The rest of us didn't.
Yeah.
And then we had fun going to the volcanic hot springs, which was
They weren't
not
super hot, but they were warmer than normal ocean
yes,
water. Yeah.
warmer. But this whole experience for the 4 of us, I think, was 300 euro.
Yeah, 300 euro for 4 of us, so that wasn't bad, and that did include, of course, the food and the wine and soda, so it was good.
Yeah, it was a good deal. And then it's only 8 of us here on board, which is not typical. I think there's usually more so like 20-ish people on this exact catamaran, so I'd say pretty lucky as far as it being a really small group. And
Hopefully you're hearing us, because it is a little windy.
It is a little windy. So the kids are really enjoying it.
Look at this. Look at Connor here. Connor's just
Sunbathing.
living
I
his
did
best.
not even notice you guys were filming.
Living your best life?
Yeah.
Yeah, Logan over here. What's he just? Look at you. Are you dreaming about something over there? Yeah, but overall, I would say this is definitely worth it for 300 euro.
Overall, Santorini has been really magical. It is a very iconic destination. It is a beautiful destination, not the most kid-friendly destination, I would say, which we do.
Definitely don't try to walk anywhere. Like there's no sidewalks most places, and especially with kids, we tried to walk like single file line and almost got hit by buses and stuff, so just don't do it.
I agree with that. But overall, we've definitely enjoyed our time here. I'm so glad that we actually came and saw it. I do think it's a once in a lifetime kind of destination for me.
Santorini is a bucket list item. It is expensive, but I feel like everybody should do it once in a lifetime, you know? You know, and then move on to others that are maybe more budget friendly. There's lots of other Greek islands to see.
Yeah.
And the next one we're going to see is a little bit more budget friendly and has great beaches, which is Naxos.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Pretty cool. We have to hop across like 3 catamarans to get to shore. Keep hopping. Logan, wait for us. There we go. Thank you so much. It was wonderful.
Welcome.
All right, Connor. He'll help you. Don't worry. Just wait. He'll help you. There you go.
Wait.
Oh, he wants a hug. We get a free hug. Free hug with every ride. It was a pleasure cruising with you. We're gonna go have pizza with him in Bristol because he's the pizza king of Bristol.
Come check out Can Pizza.
There you go.
Make sure to subscribe, please. I am sewing the camera once again, and I am in beautiful Santorini in the hot tub, loving it.